With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in the question we have a theory given, which is a collision cross section is an area of imaginary sphere of a radius around the molecule within which the center of another molecule cannot penetrate. Right. The volume swept away by a single molecule is unit time, and we have a few relations given here. Right. Uh, like the collision how made and the value of alpha lambda. Right, so we have few values right here, and we have values of mean free path, right? So if we come to our question, so the question is saying for a given gas, the mean free path of particular pressure is, and we have four options given right here. Okay, so let us understand that. Let us write the formula for mean free path. So first of all, mean free path, we denote this by lambda mean. This is actually RT divided by under root of 2 pi d square n a and p, right? And if we look at the formula, this R is gas constant, here T is our temperature. If we look at D is actually collision diameter, like collision diameter in this formula, and Na is of course Avogadro number, right? P is pressure right here. So if we look at this, so the mean free path of gas increase with as we look at the its a relation with the temperature and pressure. So this is directly proportional to temperature and inversely proportional to pressure, as it is clear in this. So from this relation, what we can say that mean free path of gas increase with increase in temperature and decrease in pressure. So it increases with increase in temperature, right? So our correct option for this is option C. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.